Cooks, today we're making fluffy peanut butter frosting. So we recently made some chewy peanut butter brownies, aka blondies, during the cookbook club out of Fanny Farmer's cookbook. And I added my own twist of some peanut butter frosting. And today we're going to make it. I'm going to show you how I do it. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So we recently made these chewy peanut butter brownies that were like blondies when we did the last cookbook club. It was out of the Fanny Farmer cookbook. And I wanted to add my own little twist to it. And I added this peanut butter frosting. I didn't make it at that time because the video would have been way too long. So I figured I'd give you a designated video for this so you can get the full recipe. So here's our stand mixer. This is my KitchenAid stand mixer Classic Plus. We're going to add some butter. All good frostings start with some butter. So this is a salted butter. It's just a regular butter. If you use unsalted butter, just go ahead and add a pinch of salt to it. So we got some butter and we got some peanut butter because it's peanut butter frosting, right? And we're going to go ahead and cream this. Couple minutes creaming. You may have to scrape in between, but you want this to become really light and fluffy. Oh, it's looking good. Let me give it a little scrapey.
Smells like peanut butter.
Scrapey, scrapey. Yeah. Well, it's just peanut butter and butter at this point. We're just going to let it go a little bit more. Okay, so this is looking good. We're going to go ahead and give it a little scrape really quick, just so it incorporates well. And I have some powdered sugar. This will be up on my website. You want to kind of keep it a little low because it will go poof. Poof. We'll put about half of it in. And we'll go ahead and put the rest of it in. Woo! Powdered sugar is definitely powdery. Woo. So I'm going to put in some vanilla. And you will find that it's going to be really stiff. And we are going to fix that. We just want to get it combined really quick. So we need to put a little liquid in here to thin it out. It depends on how thick or thin you want the frosting because it depends on your application. So you can use heavy cream, milk. I'm using almond milk, or you can use even water if you wanted to. So I'm going to just put a little bit. And this is just the judgment of the cook. See how thin that out? I think I'm going to put a splash more in here. I think that'll be good. Whoa. Beautifully fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy. I'm going to go ahead and scrape it down here. Make sure it's all that stiff part of the frosting is incorporated in here. So that was, for me, that was 2 splashes of the milk. You might want it thinner, you might want it thicker. So I call it a couple splashes. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Okay, so let's scrape off our paddle here. We want to get every last bit of this beautiful frosting. Mm-hmm. It's amazing. Mm-hmm. You'll just want to eat it just like this. Almost tastes like filling from a Nutter Butter or a, whatever those things are, those peanut butter sandwich cookies. Mm-hmm. And look at that. Mm-hmm. Very, very nice. Mm-hmm. It's beautiful. It's fluffy. It's nutty. Peanut butter nutty. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. That looks amazing. Take a little taste from here. Mmm. Mmm. It's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. So if you make one of these delicious chewy peanut butter brownies, blondies, they are delicious. And you can use this frosting. Mm-hmm. These are amazing. Nice and chewy. The frosting takes it over the top. Yum. 1,000 times yum. So cooks, this is how you make the peanut butter frosting that's on these peanut butter blondies, peanut butter brownies. I hope you enjoy it. I know you will.